Oil prices were trading mixed in early deals. The commodity managed to recover slightly amid a fall in inventories, but the bearish trend remained strong. The quotes have been falling for 3 days in a row. Since the beginning of the week, oil prices plunged by 17%. The Russian ruble lost almost 3% at the market opening and approached the level of 78 rubles per $1. The concerns of a fall in demand amid the coronavirus epidemic persist. The oversupply can rise up to 10 million barrels per month in the period from February to May. However, this figure does not factor in the plans of Saudi Arabia to ramp up their production. So the prospects are gloomy. Oil futures suffer a major sell-off. The Brent crude benchmark depreciated by 1.29% to $28.36 per barrel in early deals. At the same time, WTI prices declined by over 2% to $26.58. The oil minister of Iraq urged his colleagues to hold an emergency OPEC Plus meeting in order to discuss possible measures for restoring balance on the oil market. The price war between Russia and Saudi Arabia also exerts pressure on the commodity. However, Moscow does not hurry to take any steps, while Saudis forecasted that Brent prices can fall to $20 per barrel. According to the former president of OPEC and oil minister of Qatar, such a situation has already been observed before, but now it's even worse given the impact of the coronavirus epidemic. According to official data, the ruble was seen to be trading at 79.22 against the US dollar at the session opening. However, the dealers said it was a mistake, as actually the Russian currency was at 77.95. The ruble hit the lowest level since February 2016. Most experts predicted that the Russian currency will be unable to break out of the range between 75 and 82 as long as Brent prices remain stuck at $20-30 per barrel. According to a worst-case scenario, the ruble can plunge to as low as 90 mark. The Bank of Russia can resort to interventions in the foreign exchange market. Currently, the regulator is selling foreign currency in small volumes within the framework of the budget rule. There are rumors in the market that the Russian central bank will intervene no sooner than the USD ruble reaches the level of 85 and 90. The ruble will be able to recover only when the spread of the coronavirus slows down. Besides, markets need to make sure that the insensitive measures around the world are preventing the onset of a debt crisis, the consequences of which could be much worse than it's now assumed. You are watching Market News on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We continue to monitor the situation. Stay with us.